Welcome to this transformative journey of manifesting wealth and abundance into your life. By choosing to participate in this meditation, you have taken a powerful step towards reshaping your financial reality and embracing a life filled with prosperity, joy, and endless opportunities. Before we begin, I want you to know that the words you are about to hear have the power to create a profound shift in your mindset and attract abundance in ways you may have never thought possible. Just by being here and allowing yourself to fully engage in this process, you are demonstrating your readiness and willingness to welcome wealth into your life. As we progress through this meditation, I invite you to release any doubts, worries, or reservations you may have about money. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, and that the universe is conspiring in your favor to bring you the financial freedom and abundance you deserve. This meditation is designed to help you break free from any limiting beliefs or patterns that may have held you back in the past. By the end of our journey together, you will have developed a powerful wealth mindset, one that allows you to effortlessly attract and maintain abundance in all areas of your life. So, I invite you now to find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax and fully immerse yourself in this experience. You may choose to sit or lie down, whichever position allows you to feel most at ease. Take a moment to settle in, and when you're ready, close your eyes and let go of any external distractions. As you allow your body to relax, know that you are safe, supported, and surrounded by an energy of love and abundance. With each breath you take, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of relaxation and receptivity, ready to embrace the transformative power of this meditation. Remember, the words you are about to hear are not just mere words, but powerful affirmations and intentions that will take root deep within your subconscious mind, guiding you towards a life of unlimited wealth and abundance. So let us begin this beautiful journey together as you open your heart and mind to the incredible possibilities that await you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to surrender fully to the process, knowing that you are worthy and deserving of all the abundance the universe has to offer. Let's begin by taking a deep, cleansing breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your lungs expand with fresh, invigorating air. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress you may be holding in your body. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, feel your body sinking further into a state of complete relaxation. With each inhale, imagine that you are drawing in pure golden energy, the energy of abundance and prosperity. Feel it filling every cell of your being, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And with each exhale, release any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that no longer serve you. Let them drift away as you create space for new, empowering beliefs to take their place. As you focus on your breath, let your mind become still and calm, like the surface of a tranquil lake. Allow any thoughts that arise to simply drift by without engaging with them. You are now in a state of perfect receptivity, ready to absorb the transformative messages that will guide you towards a life of abundant wealth and prosperity. Now that you are in a deeply relaxed state, let's begin to cultivate a powerful wealth mindset. Repeat after me silently in your mind the following affirmations. I am a magnet for money and abundance. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. I deserve to be rich and prosperous. My income is constantly increasing. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. As you repeat these affirmations, feel the power of the words resonating deep within your being. Believe them with every fiber of your existence. Allow them to take root in your subconscious mind, planting the seeds of abundance that will grow and flourish in your life. Embrace the feeling of unshakable confidence and self-worth that comes with knowing you are deserving of wealth and prosperity. Feel the excitement and joy of living a life filled with financial freedom, where you have the means to pursue your dreams and make a positive impact on the world around you. Now, let's engage your imagination and bring your desires to life through the power of visualization. Begin by picturing yourself in a beautiful, serene setting, perhaps a lush garden or a tranquil beach. Take a moment to fully immerse yourself in this environment, engaging all of your senses. See the vibrant colors of the flora surrounding you, feel the gentle breeze on your skin, hear the soothing sounds of nature, and breathe in the fresh, invigorating air. As you explore this idyllic setting, you notice a path lined with glistening golden coins and precious gems. This is the path of abundance, and it stretches out before you, inviting you to follow it. As you walk along this path, feel the wealth and prosperity emanating from each step you take. Visualize your bank account growing with each passing moment, your investments flourishing, and your financial worries melting away. See yourself living the life you've always dreamed of, a life of luxury, freedom, and endless opportunities. Engage your senses fully in this experience. Feel the texture of high-quality clothing on your skin, the smooth leather of a luxurious car beneath your fingertips, and the satisfying weight of a substantial check in your hands. Allow yourself to bask in the feelings of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that come with living a life of abundance. As you continue to visualize your life of abundance, it's important to address any limiting beliefs that may have held you back in the past. These beliefs are like weeds in the garden of your mind, choking the growth of your prosperity. But today, we will uproot them and replace them with empowering beliefs that support your financial success. Imagine any limiting beliefs you may have about money, such as, "Money is the root of all evil," "I don't deserve to be wealthy," or "Rich people are greedy," as dark, heavy chains wrapped around you. Feel the weight of these beliefs holding you down, preventing you from reaching your full potential. Now visualize a bright, golden light emanating from your heart center, growing stronger and brighter with each breath you take. This light represents your inner power, your unshakable belief in yourself, and your deservingness of abundance. As the light expands, see it dissolving the chains of your limiting beliefs, one by one, until they are completely gone. In their place, affirm new, empowering beliefs about wealth and prosperity. Repeat after me. Money is a positive force in my life. I am worthy of living a wealthy, abundant life. I use my wealth to create good in the world. Prosperity is my birthright. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life has to offer. Feel the truth of these statements resonating deep within you, replacing any old, limiting beliefs with unshakable faith in your ability to manifest abundance. As you continue to bask in the glow of your newfound wealth mindset, take a moment to cultivate a deep sense of gratitude for all the abundance already present in your life. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to even greater prosperity, as it aligns you with the energy of abundance and attracts more of what you appreciate into your experience. Think of all the blessings in your life, the people you love, the experiences you've had, the talents and skills you possess, and the opportunities that have come your way. Feel a profound sense of thankfulness for each and every one of them, knowing that they are all evidence of the abundance that surrounds you. Now, extend that gratitude to the wealth and prosperity you're in the process of manifesting. Give thanks for the financial freedom, the luxurious experiences, and the ability to make a positive impact on the world that comes with your newfound abundance. Feel the joy and excitement of knowing that these blessings are already on their way to you and that you are fully open and receptive to receiving them. As you cultivate this attitude of gratitude, also embrace the power of giving. Recognize that true wealth is not just about accumulating money, but about using it to create value in the world and make a difference in the lives of others. Visualize yourself sharing your wealth and resources generously, whether it's through charitable donations, supporting loved ones, or investing in causes that matter to you. Feel the incredible sense of fulfillment and purpose that comes with using your wealth to create positive change, and know that the more you give, the more you open yourself up to receiving even greater abundance in return. With your wealth mindset firmly established and your gratitude and generosity flowing, it's time to take inspired action towards your financial goals. Visualize yourself taking confident, purposeful steps towards creating the abundant life you desire. See yourself pursuing new opportunities, learning valuable skills, and connecting with influential people who can help you along your journey. Trust that the universe is guiding you towards the perfect actions and decisions that will lead you to your desired outcomes. Feel the excitement and motivation that comes with knowing you are fully capable of creating the wealth and prosperity you desire, and that each action you take is bringing you closer to your goals. As you continue to take inspired action, remember to stay open and receptive to the opportunities and abundance that flow your way. Trust that the universe has your back and that everything is unfolding in perfect timing for your highest good. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey you have just embarked upon. You have planted the seeds of abundance deep within your subconscious mind, and with each passing day, these seeds will grow and flourish, bringing forth a harvest of wealth and prosperity beyond your wildest dreams. Know that you are now a magnet for abundance, attracting wealth and opportunities from all directions. Your wealth mindset is unshakable, your gratitude overflowing, and your actions aligned with your deepest desires. Carry this newfound sense of empowerment and abundance with you as you go about your day, radiating the energy of prosperity to all those around you. Remember that you are deserving of all the wealth and abundance the universe has to offer, and that it is your birthright to live a life of financial freedom and joy. As you slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy of abundance coursing through your veins. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to embrace the incredible opportunities that await you. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey today. May your life be filled with an abundance of wealth, joy, and prosperity, now and always.